I got the hardest whip out. And I got a fake diamond chain on. Anyways. Come find me, I'm right here. Woo! Y'all hear that? I don't think you can. Oh yeah. Check out that fitment. Do you guys think the car is pretty loud? Anyways, check out these fresh headlight lenses I installed. Super clean. Did it myself too. Took out the whole bumper, took out the headlights, changed out the lenses, used the heat gun, took out all the old glue. And what's it called? I got catalyst downpipes coming in from Apex Modules as well. Custom downpipes. Tap in. Catalyst downpipes too. It's about to sound way crazier than this. If y'all think this sounds good, y'all hear that chop? That rumble? Num 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 num. Yeah, come on now. Y'all see it? Can't make this up. Anyways, let's get started on this drive. I want to go run some errands real quick, return some things, buy some things, and pick up our boy Chris. All right, he just recently bought a CLS550. However, I mean, he got it for a good deal, right? But what's it called? It's got like rattling noise from the chain tensioner, which isn't good. Also has a transmission code. Front bumper is cooked, headlights is cooked, paint is cooked, whole car is cooked. But we gonna fix it. That ain't nothing. I also got a CLS550, the W219, the previous generation, you know, doing a raffle on that. You could just purchase an entry, purchase some merch. I'm gonna put some pictures on it, or check out the link in the bio. You'll see it whenever I make the website. But you can get a whole CLS550, man. Anyways, let's let the car warm up a little bit. We're at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Normal operating temperature is anywhere from 190 to 200, all right? So it really just depends. And check out the CarPlay from Apex Modules, man. Ooh, so responsive. Look, just use this. Boom. This is the website right here. And that's the email right there if you want to send them an email. But yeah, apexmodules.com. I got my catalyst downpipes coming in soon. And this CarPlay is from there as well. Check it out. Ooh. And you can watch movies on that John. Who else doing it? It's got a great warranty, lifetime customer support, lifetime updates, free worldwide shipping. You can't make this up. Let's just start driving, man. Where should we go first? O'Reilly's? Should we go to the post office? Should we go to Chris's place? Too many things to do and not enough time. Y'all hear that car? You can't make this up. You can't fake this. Actually, yeah, you can. But come on, check this out, bro. Check this out, bro. We in a spaceship out in broad daylight. Well, y'all should see this car at night. I got so many POV videos out of like nighttime driving. This car is nuts at night. Ooh, especially with all the LED AC vents, the starlights, the digital dash. All right, y'all want to hear the car a little bit? Damn. Wait, who called me? What the hell's call? Oh, it's just a voicemail. What the hell's leaving me a voicemail, man? If I don't pick up, don't call. Wait, that don't make no sense. How you gonna know I won't pick up if you don't call? My bad, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Check out Chris's CLS550. Bro, this shit is squatted. He tried installing lower links, but this dude couldn't figure it out. Cause he tried making his own lower links. Broke ass motherfucker could have spent $100 on lower links. But nah, the way he's doing it is kind of genius. But we just gotta figure out how to do it right, you know? What's up, Chris? Shout out your Instagram and your TikTok. I'm trying to get this guy to post more content. He be having some crazy whips. He's just too humble with it. What's up, Chris? Chris, tell us about your CLS550. How long have you had it for? How much did you buy it for? When did you get it? How'd you get it?
Go in front of it and listen.
All right, listen to this rattle. All right, it's got a tensioner rattle. It didn't do it.
Problem fixed.
Oh, I got a gift for Chris. All right. Y'all see this business card right here? He's got a custom, he's got a CarPlay module coming in. So we're gonna go ahead and leave a card right here. W. Chris. Check out the interior though. Tell me you don't want a CLS550 after seeing this. It ain't as nice as my S550 though, I can tell you that. Anyways, boys, we're about to go pick up Chris's little brother. We do not have a car seat in the back, but it's just down the street, man. That ain't nothing. All right, we just picked up Chris's little brother, dropped him off at the crib. Now we're at the mechanic shop. We're gonna ask how much it'll cost to fix the timing chain issue on Chris's car. We're at Star Motors here in Sacramento. Kind of legally parked. Well, let's see what they say about Chris's CLS550. All right, boys, we just came back from the mechanic. What did he say? How much was it?
$6,500 pounds.
$6,500. It is a very labor-intensive job, but the guy was very knowledgeable and he gave us some very good tips and tricks. And then he said if a professional can do it, and like he said, it takes about 22 hours worth of labor. We'll do it in 10 hours, bro. He don't know us, right, Chris? Nah, we'll probably do like 50 hours.
Bro, we have 24 hours of unemployment.
Exactly. We don't got a job. It's just a one-day job, and we save $6,500. I mean, we still gotta buy the parts and stuff. But he gave us good advice. He said you can go to iPull, U-Pull, or a junkyard, practice one of those motors. But he said, yeah, it's like a very hard job. You don't want to mess with the timing. And he said the timing could be retarded or advanced. And as soon as he said retarded, I started dying, bro. He kept saying retarded, so I kept laughing, bro. I couldn't help myself. I genuinely couldn't help myself, bro. Like he had a straight face too. He was like, timing could be retarded or advanced. And then what I do, Chris?
Bro, you just started twerking, bro.
That shit was kind of funny though. But mental health is a serious thing. It's not mental health, is it? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Anyways, we're about to go to O'Reilly's. I gotta return some bolts because I stripped my oil pan bolts and I tried to do it myself. Ended up taking it to a shop and I paid like $25. So we're about to go to O'Reilly's.
Bro, I can take the whole thing apart, right?
Yeah. Like whoa, stop touching me.
Like you did it for your turbo thingies, and then just have somebody do the timing for me, no? And I just put it back together.
The timing for you? We could do that.
You're stupid. That's just.
I did my own turbo cooling lines on an M278 engine, and if you know anything about that job, it's not an easy job. Bitch. I did do it myself. I got a whole video of it. I just paid a mobile mechanic to pressurize my cooling system, which I probably could have done myself by just letting it run.
Straight pipe S550 guy to fucking time it for me.
You think he's done that?
He'll probably just come time it.
Shout out to Straight Pipe S550, man. We follow him on Instagram. He got all the parts for. No, he will respond. Chill out.
There's a Maybach back there.
Where?
In the back.
Swear to God.
You don't see it?
A Maybach?
Fucking not a Maybach. The SUVs, the big ass SUV things.
Oh, like the new ones?
Yeah. The ones that do the bounce.
Oh, he got an E55. One of the workers here.
The ones that do the bounce.
Y'all see that? That's an E. It's not the one that does the bounce.
This bitch is reversing.
Yeah, this was reversing though.
Yeah, it's the ones that bounce.
What do you mean?
It's literally in the back.
It says Maybach on it? Maybach SUV?
Yeah.
Cap.
Maybach.
It's the owner of the O'Reilly's, you think?
Why the fuck would he have a Maybach, bro?
What do you mean? Why would he not have a Maybach?
It's too big as hell for that tiny ass truck.
Did you fart, bro? What the fudge? Alright, we're at O'Reilly's. About to return these bolts. Get some money back. Alright, I just returned the bolts, and now I'm gonna buy this air freshener. And Chris, what are you buying?
No.
What is Chris buying?
We better scam somebody, bro.
No. I'm gonna make sure he discloses all the issues, bro.
Do I buy one or two?
To suppress the noise from your car, you need 4 bottles.
Alright, my fucking car's about to blow up, bro.
Alright, boys, we're back in the car. His car's about to blow up, not mine. My shit is good. We got the what's it called? Mango strawberry smoothie. Put it down. What'd you say?
He said you better knock on some wood, bro.
He said knock on some wood. That's what the mechanic said too. Anyways, there's a E55 down there. We're about to go to the post office, mail in a little bit of things, ship out some orders, get some money. You know what I'm saying? He's still thinking about what he wants to do with a CLS550. He might want to sell it and then let the owner know about all the issues it has. And then he wants to get a different CLS, maybe with less issues.
A can of fucking Lucas oil.
As he's opening a can of Lucas oil, bro.
That we're gonna put into the car, bro.
But yeah, let's go to the post office and.
Wait, this shit isn't even as thick as I.
All right, boys, leaving the O'Reilly's right now. We got a cameraman, Chris Whips, tapping with him.
Look, the Maybach's still back there. You see it?
Oh, that is a two-tone Maybach though. What about that two-tone scooter? Ooh, y'all hear that? www.
I had just ordered downpipes too, bro.
All right, boys, we're at the post office. We're about to mail out all these letters. You know what I'm saying? We're really getting shit done today, man. I usually wake up at 3 p.m. every single morning. We about to do a quick little pull. Oh, that sounds good. I apologize for all the wind noise. We're about to get a better setup. You know what I'm saying? About to get a We about to get a what's it called? Chris, what's it called? A mic.
Oh, I seen some cheap ones at Target, like the wireless ones, so you can put it like on the
I would never do you guys like that. I will never cheap out and get the cheapest mic.
Alright.
Where's it at? We're gonna post on Instagram trying to find him a mechanic for that issue. Oh look, that's a C55 right there.
And he starts monging, so you know it's raised lens.
Hey, it's got a supercharger?
Yeah, compressor.
You might have to bring the camera hella close to the windshield because it's hella zoomed out.
I can't even fucking see him, bro.
Yeah. They're like, why is he hella far away? Hey man, it's hard being this funny. It's really, oh shit.
Oh fuck.
Alright, we're back at the crib. You know, we got the CLS550 thing. Hood is open, looking like a German beast. What the hell are you putting in the engine bay, bro?
Some honey.
What the heck? Does this stuff work, guys? Let us know down below. Alright, go. Yeah, that shit was shaking, bro.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, how else do the noise is coming out, you know? But that's how it works like that. We have no idea what we're doing, boys. Does Lucas Oil actually work in these cars? What do you guys think?
Getting an Uber ride by W222MERC.
What's going on, boys? Chris Aru is getting an Uber ride by W222MERC. You know what I'm saying? This is the last thing you see for getting kidnapped.
You look like that guy that was cutting up in one of these, no? Remember that video? And he loses it? Yeah.
Oh.
I think this is the same angle you had too.
I think he had it like up there, you know? He had this little 360.
This is a crazy angle though.
Hey, don't be mad when they see you elevate and that guy with the shirtless thing. Did you get mustard there? What's going on, boys? Hey, should we wrap the car red and hurt him? Or should we not hurt him? I really don't feel like hurting him, you know? I'm the youngest one doing it like this. But I feel like it would be good promo. You know, just wrap it red, get the views going. Oh, we on that. We on that. Y'all hear that? Oh, yeah. And then we low-key Mac.
No.
Oh, subtle foreshadowing. What car is that? Is that a Q50? It is, huh?
Which one?
Oh, right there. Pull up.
Yeah, it is.
Should we pull up on him?
Yeah.
Alright, it's good.
Why the fuck would we pull up on him? Don't be gay.
Should we?
No, I'm scared. Editor, cut that out, please.
I'm about to jack it up. I did notice one of my wheels is wobbling a little bit. I think it was this one. Check out the CLS. Look how high up it is. Bless you. Thank you. Yeah, something's wrong with this suspension, bro. And then, all right, we got my other white CLS right here. I am raffling off this car, so if you guys buy merch, if you guys buy merch or digital entries on the website, you could enter to win my CLS550. Let me know if you guys want to enter that raffle though. All right, he's driving my S-Class, so I gotta see if the wheel is like wobbly or not. I can't tell. All right, start coming forward, buddy. I'm not gonna lie, they do look wobbly, so we're about to test it out again. Try to keep them straight. Yeah, that should kind of look sick. My homie D-Does Flips is selling a 2015 S550 with like 160,000 miles. But it's clean title. You know, no rattle thing. Yeah, park it. All right, guys, check out the interior. It's nighttime. I forgot to record more. I'm sorry, people. Well, it's gonna wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys like these type of vlogs. Right, check out the interior, man. Come on now. Well, let me know if y'all like these type of vlogs. I'll do more of them. It's pretty fun to make, especially when we went to O'Reilly's and I don't know what else we did today. I forgot, but a whole bunch of stuff. All right, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.